1. Which of the following best describes Project Suite Enterprise Edition, PSEE? A. A project management tool for agile development only. B. A comprehensive suite for automated software testing and quality assurance. C. A customer relationship management (CRM) system. D. A database management and reporting tool. 2. What is the primary role of PSEE's Test Complete integration? A. To perform manual acceptance testing. B. To enable automated functional and regression testing. C. To manage cloud deployment configurations. D. To design wireframes and mockups. 3. In PSEE, what does the test execute utility primarily provide? A. A lightweight runtime engine for executing automated tests. B. A visual modeling tool for business processes. C. A centralized code repository for version control. D. A tool for creating bug tracking workflows. 4. Which type of testing can be automated using PSEE? A. Unit testing only. E. Functional, regression, and load testing. C. Security penetration testing exclusively. D. Manual usability testing. 5. What is the purpose of PSEE's integration with Jenkins? A. To automate, build, and test execution in CI/CD pipelines. B. To replace the defect tracking system. C. To generate manual test plans. D. To manage product documentation. 6. Which feature of PSEE helps centralize storage of test projects and results? A. Project Explorer. B. Shared Project Suite. C. Keyword Test Recorder. D. Object Spy. 7. In PSEE, what does the distributed testing feature allow? A. Splitting test runs across multiple remote computers. E. Designing UML diagrams for system architecture. C. Encrypting project files for security compliance. D. Tracking financial costs of projects. 8. Which reporting capability is built into PSEE? A. Real-time dashboards and detailed log reports. B. Payroll reports for human resources. C. Sales forecasting reports. D. Network topology diagrams. 9. When integrating PSEE with Jira, what functionality becomes available? A. Automatic test script generation from Jira epics. B. Linking test results directly to Jira issues. C. Replacing Jira's workflow engine with PSEE. D. Compiling code from Jira tickets. 10. How does PSEE support keyword-driven testing? A. By recording user actions as reusable keyword operations. B. By generating random test inputs automatically. C. By creating manual bug reports from user logs. D. By translating source code into test cases. 11. Which of the following describes the role of Object Spy in PSEE? A. Identifies and inspects properties of UI objects for test automation. B. Compiles test projects into executable applications. C. Encrypts sensitive test data before execution. D. Creates documentation templates for test reports. 12. What is the benefit of PSEE's version control integration? A. Tracks changes in test projects and supports collaboration. B. Generates artificial intelligence models for test prediction. C. Monitors application runtime memory usage. D. Creates standalone installers for test projects. 13. Which scripting languages are supported in PSEE for test automation? A. Python, JavaScript, VB Script, JScript, Delphi Script, and C++ Script. B. Java, Swift, Kotlin, and Ruby. C. PHP, HTML, CSS, and SQL. D. C#, Go, Rust, and Scala. 14. What does the PSEE Network Suite component manage? A. Coordination of distributed test runs across multiple hosts. B. Synchronization of database schemas across environments. C. Management of firewall and VPN settings. D. Encryption of sensitive application credentials. 15. What is the role of PSEE's name mapping feature? A. Creates aliases for UI objects to ensure stable test scripts. E. Maps user roles to permissions in project management. C. Encrypts and maps sensitive test data. D. Converts SQL tables into test data sources. 16. Which type of automation framework can be implemented within PSEE? A. Data-driven and keyword-driven frameworks. B. Agile Scrum frameworks. C. Cloud deployment frameworks. D. Blockchain-based frameworks. 17. How does PSEE improve regression testing? A. By automating repetitive test cases across builds. B. By allowing only manual verification of defects. C. By limiting test execution to new features. D. By discarding previous test results after each run. 18. Which CI/CD tools can PSEE integrate with besides Jenkins? A. Azure DevOps, GitLab CI/CD, and TeamCity. B. Trello and Slack. C. Photoshop and Illustrator. D. Tableau and Power BI. 19. In PSEE, what does test log capture? A. Detailed execution results, including errors and screenshots. B. Employee attendance and timesheets. C. Network bandwidth usage during testing. D. License usage statistics. 20. Which feature allows non-technical testers to automate tests in PSEE? A. Keyword testing. B. Command line interface. C. API load testing. D. Debug console. 21. What is the benefit of using test execute separately from test complete in PSEE? A. Reduces licensing costs for running automated tests on multiple machines. B. Allows debugging of source code in real time. C. Replaces project suite configuration entirely. D. Provides advanced UI object recognition. 22. How does PSEE handle cross-platform testing? A. Supports desktop, web, and mobile applications. B. Runs exclusively on Linux servers. C. Tests only Windows-based desktop applications. D. Compiles apps for multiple operating systems. 23. Which PSEE component helps ensure test reusability and maintainability? A. Shared project items. B. Object SPI. C. Debug panel. D. Log viewer. 24. What does the PSEE licensing server manage? A. Concurrent usage of test complete and test execute licenses. B. Version control of source code. C. Storage of test data and logs. D. Encryption of sensitive scripts. 25. Which PSEE feature supports data-driven testing? A. Linking test cases with external data sources like Excel and databases. B. Randomly generating inputs during execution. C. Manually creating multiple test logs. D. Encrypting test case outputs. 26. Which monitoring capability does PSEE provide during test execution? A. Real-time performance and resource usage logs. B. Employee task assignments. C. Cloud billing reports. D. Database schema changes. 27. How does PSEE help improve collaboration in large test teams? A. Centralized project storage with version control integration. B. Limiting project access to a single user. C. Converting test projects into PDF documents. D. Allowing only manual test distribution. 28. Which of the following can PSEE integrate with for defect tracking? A. Jira, Bugzilla, and Azure DevOps. B. WordPress and Drupal. C. Salesforce CRM only. D. Docker and Kubernetes. 29. Which deployment model is supported by PSEE? A. On-premises installation with floating licenses. B. Serverless, cloud-native deployment only. C. Mobile-only SaaS deployment. D. Browser plugin installation. 30. What is the significance of checkpoints in PSEE test automation? A. Validate application states by comparing actual versus expected results. Encrypt sensitive project files. C. Track user attendance during test execution. D. Compile test projects into executables. 31. What's the main advantage of using PSEE in continuous testing workflows? A. Automates test execution within CI/CD pipelines. B. Restricts tests to manual execution for higher accuracy. C. Prevents integration with build automation tools. D. Reduces need for version control. 32. Which log type is commonly produced after a failed test execution in PSEE? A. Error log with captured screenshots and stack trace. B. Payroll log with employee salaries. C. Deployment log for cloud configurations. D. Budget log for financial projects. 33. Which mobile platforms are supported by PSEE testing tools? A. iOS and Android. B. Windows Mobile only. C. BlackBerry OS only. D. Symbian OS.